Hey, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial. In this video, we're going to learn how to trimming the video. To do that, all you have to do, go to youtube.com, and as you reach to the YouTube site, make sure to click on the right upper corner and go to YouTube Studio. As you reach out to the YouTube Studio, make sure to select any particular video, go to the left side and click on videos. Select any video that you think you need to edit on it, so go and click on details. As you click on details, on the left side, you will find an option called editor. Click on this option, editor. So there you are at the YouTube video editor. So this is a very amazing option for people who cannot blur faces on their editor, like using an iMovie, which is a really bad option. I personally use iMovie, so I can't blur faces at all times. But first you have to learn trimming. Trimming is the base option for YouTube because it has helped a lot of people. Like I uploaded a video. I uploaded a video 2 days ago, and I made a mistake on adding a false part in my video, so I have to edit it and I have to trim it out. So in order to trim out any part, any unnecessary part, all you have to do, click on that part, that first, the starting part. You can even zoom it. You can make the part look smaller or bigger depending on this. On the left side, you can either zoom it or zoom out to make sure that you cut out the right parts. You click on that initial start of that part. For example, this video starts here. This is the unnecessary part, which starts from here. So I click on trim, and again, when I click on trim, I have to drag it. Wait a minute. You click on this and click on trim, zoom it out, and click on the option called split. As you click on a split, this blue line will appear. You just have to drag it, and as you drag it, which means you don't want this part to be added. So as you think this part shouldn't be in this video, so you drag it from it starts from 9.29 and ends in here. You click on preview, and that way this part will be edited, which means this part is deleted now. As you save it, I'm not saving it because for editing, but if you save it, this part will be removed from the video. So this is very simple. Let me just have to click it, click on a split. Again, I'm just reviewing it, drag it, preview it, save it. That's so simple. So I'm again going to click on undo and going to start again. So this is how you're going to trim any video if you want to use the video editor.